Mercy Health is a vertically integrated health system in the southern Wisconsin, northern Illinois region, serving 15 counties and over 2.4 million patient visits each year. When our CEO, who sits on the Molecules Advisory Board, brought to our attention Molecules technology and its efficacy in cleaning the air, we were really interested in testing it. We partnered with Molecule on a preliminary pilot trial to test the impact of PICO technology on patients in our pediatric intensive care unit. Although this was only a preliminary pilot trial, we found the results encouraging. This led us to integrating Molecule air units into our newest hospital inpatient suites at the Javon Bay Hospital on Riverside Boulevard in Rockford. We also became the first hospital to integrate Molecule's medical-grade product, AirPro RX. We use these devices in some of our patient rooms and in high-traffic waiting areas. Hospitals have a large volume of people coming in and out of facilities, which brings in the possibility of airborne pathogens or bacteria that could lead to illness, infection, or contamination. HVAC systems in hospitals are equipped with HEPA filters, but those systems are primarily designed to circulate the air in the building for thermal control. The filters grab what they can in that process, but purification is not the HVAC's primary function. The filter in Molecule devices is unique. It's coated with a catalyst that, when activated by light, creates a chemical reaction on the surface of the filter that breaks down the bonds and pollutants, turning them into harmless compounds like oxygen and water vapor. This means that Molecule's PICO technology is destroying airborne pollutants like viruses, bacteria, and mold in the air. The 2.4 million patient visits we provide each year shows that the communities we serve put a lot of trust in what and how we provide care. We have always been very innovative with a variety of new technologies to enhance the care we provide. All new or replacement technology has a vigorous vetting and evaluation process that includes many levels of employees, from physicians and nurses to administrators and users. The fact that Molecule has FDA clearance for their AirPro RX device was really important for us to show they are effective for medical settings. Our employees and patients are our top priority, and providing the best quality air in our facilities is very important to us as a health system.